Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a practical course suited for business applications. This course is ideal for beginner to intermediate developers looking to enhance their practical skills in PHP and MySQL while building a real hotel booking system. It covers authentication, payment processing, admin panel management, and complex SQL queries to take your web development expertise to the next level. With around 27,000 students and a 4.4 rating, this course is highly successful. Currently, the discounted price on Udemy is about €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access and benefit from future updates. The course duration is 7 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. Here's what you will learn: setting up the necessary tools for building modern web apps, creating a full authentication system, hashing and dehashing passwords with PHP using advanced PDO queries, implementing PayPal payment professionally in your web app, handling validation efficiently and securing sensitive user data, debugging and fixing issues during development, and much more. Now, I want to provide this exciting course for free and fully legally. To get started, subscribe to the channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the search results, click on the correct link. Make sure the site URL matches discountedcourseninja.com to be directed to the official website. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the home page. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the course you need or browse by category. You will find the course listed there. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button. The course will now be available to you free of charge, but keep in mind that coupons are time limited. With just a few clicks, you can legally and freely access this valuable course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.